Kali Linux is the GOAT when it comes to hacking. While most know the popular tools, in this video we'll explore the hidden gems. Let's dive into top of the iceberg, the common tools. Nmap, one of the most well-known and widely used network scanning tools, allows you to discover hosts and services on a network, thus creating a map of the network. It's incredibly versatile and can be used for everything from simple port scanning to complex network exploration and security auditing. Metasploit framework. This is another essential tool in any pen tester's arsenal. Metasploit provides information about security vulnerabilities and aids in penetration testing and IDS signature development. It's known for its robust exploitation capabilities and extensive library of payloads. Wireshark, a powerful network protocol analyzer that allows you to capture and interactively browse the traffic running on a computer network. Wireshark is widely used for network troubleshooting, analysis, software and protocol development, and education. Mid-tier, lesser-known but powerful tools. GoBuster. GoBuster is a tool used for brute-forcing URLs, directories, and files, as well as DNS subdomains. It's fast and effective, making it a favorite for directory enumeration and identifying hidden content on web servers. Beef. The browser exploitation framework, Beef, focuses on leveraging browser vulnerabilities to exploit and control client-side attacks. It's particularly useful for assessing the security posture of web browsers. Burp Suite. This is a comprehensive suite of tools for web application security testing. The Community Edition, included in Kali Linux, offers a range of features such as a proxy server, scanner, and repeater, crucial for finding and exploiting vulnerabilities in web apps. John the Ripper, a fast password cracker. Its primary purpose is to detect weak Unix passwords. It's highly customizable and can use a variety of techniques to crack passwords, from simple brute force to highly optimized word lists. Deep Dive, advanced and specialized tools. AirDump-NG, part of the AirCrack-NG suite, AirDump-NG is used for packet capturing of raw 802.11 frames. It's essential for analyzing wireless networks and cracking WEP and WPA keys. Hydra, a fast and flexible tool for brute-forcing logins. It supports numerous protocols and can be used to attack a variety of services including HTTP, FTP, and SSH. Hydra's speed and versatility make it an indispensable tool for penetration testers. Netcat, often referred to as the Swiss Army knife of networking, Netcat is a utility that reads and writes data across network connections using the TCP/IP protocol. It can be used for port scanning, data transfer, and debugging network services. Nikto, a web server scanner that tests for many dangerous files and programs, outdated server software, and other issues. Bottom of the iceberg, rarely explored or niche tools. Yersinia, a network attack framework designed for exploiting weaknesses in various network protocols such as STP, CDP, DTP, and others. Yersinia can be used to launch attacks on Layer 2 networks and manipulate network infrastructure. Binwalk, a tool for analyzing, reverse engineering, and extracting firmware images. Binwalk is essential for security researchers looking to analyze binary firmware images for embedded devices. Volatility, a memory forensics framework for analyzing the volatile memory, RAM, of Windows, Linux, and Mac systems. Social Engineering Toolkit, a framework for simulating and performing social engineering attacks. SET can be used to create sophisticated attacks using techniques such as spear phishing and credential harvesting. Sol, a custom word list generator that crawls a URL to a specified depth and generates a word list based on the site's content. EtherCap, a comprehensive suite for man-in-the-middle attacks on LAN. It supports active and passive dissection of many protocols and includes features for network and host analysis, making it a powerful tool for network security testing. The Abyss, extreme depths and experimental tools. Maltego. Maltego is an extremely powerful platform for data mining and link analysis, which transforms data into visual graphs, allowing users to uncover complex relationships and hidden connections. Cobalt Strike. Cobalt Strike's powerful and flexible framework is used by red teams to replicate sophisticated attacks, making it an advanced tool for penetration testing and security assessments. Zap, Z-Attack Proxy. Zap provides a variety of tools for finding security vulnerabilities in web applications, making it a powerful tool for both beginners and experienced security testers. Draughties. Draughties helps teams share information, manage projects, and create reports, streamlining the workflow for security assessments. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.